top of the hill is. Oh, this is serious. Jaja know my people. You don't know. As me said, this wasn't planned, you know. Never did expect to come through up here, so.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low, feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight. I can show you things you've never seen if you come with me tonight. Say the words and I'll make it happen. Where do you wanna go? I can take you anywhere you want if you come with me tonight.
What's up, beautiful people? Here it's truly 876 by Bert as usual. Yeah, and right now, currently just a left out of the town in St. Anne. You understand? Yeah. And right about now, about to take on the through Fern Gully. Saying, yeah man, remember, wait, what go on? People, can't go to Fern Gully again. Road block. No, they not so there's have them a place that just run up the hill. People, and the natural video this, you know. This a bread nut hill. So I was about to take you through Fern Gully, but it block off. You hear a woman say up the hill. So right now, I need to put it on my GPS because I don't know around the party. You see me? I run and say them say Chalky Hill there. I want them place like, oh, away I saw the car go. Oh, the one say up hill. No sir. One brother. Get taxi I go. Smash your taxi? Oh, that would be the best thing, yes? Alright people, so I just try plugging on my GPS for at least come out down on Manique. As I said, it's a bread nutty. And the plan was to take you know, through Fern Gully, but as you can see what go on, block off and things, so I don't know. But I really steep though people. Oh, person, at least I did stay in it. Oh, go on the hillside or so. Oh, person, the Airbnb did it. Apart from the white truck? Turn him and turn back? Why people wouldn't know what go on? You see traffic stop on the hillside there. Why I don't know. The road down just a block off and it, I guess round so probably block off too. Why them have to take their stuff come down? Why this is serious? Need to stick to the toll road. Chuck there. Oh, need to stick to the toll road. Cause Jaja know.
Well, always say I want to see you.
Oh, in the back there?
Always say I want to see you. I know the planet. You never see one bird with no.
Got the truck and move now. Like, you know, the manual cover something there?
Oh.
Yeah. I need to reach from piece of level because it's stopping up on the hillside. Yes, boy. I'm not a fan of it, people. Trust me. What is, man? Yes, sir. Man, boy, I don't know when you can pass, you know, Papa. I don't know when you can move, you know, Papa. Whole heap of truck and vehicle come. Calm it down, taxi, man. Calm it down. You have a long wait. That vehicle in the back of me. No, I'm not to reach it yet. I remember if I did not want to run it. So. Send them run it too, you know. Yeah. Send them run it too. Place if on my right side, yeah, the road not that bad. I'd have to take the turn off on my right side, I think. Driving right there now. So people we are trying to exit out of Maniga, man. You understand? This is how we are trying to exit. We are trying to reach out of Maniga. I don't know if I done this or what is. Stop him now, brother. You don't even watch the road. You don't even watch the road to stop him, man, you know. Right. Yo, we are telling we have a view up there. I said the view. No, it's another lift. I never apartment or where they might be the roommates or what. May I say what we do? No, up top of the rubbish truck a blow. My boy can't wait, but you told me I have to look, you know. Can take click. What you do, brother? Oh, highway I go and use a pop. Alright, stick to the highway. To come through at that time, they can. We don't want to get caught in the traffic down this, you know. Where they must stop and go and stop and go. Oh, soon jump up back on the road. Don't have cold gate. Let me look at first them see so much thing through them district. No sir, come on. The road is so good. Go down. Up on the hill again? Wow, discover a really bird nut hill. Eh? Orange Hill? Oh, no, but the same place. I should have two places. Yeah. Eh? May I tell them on at the top of the hill is? Oh, it's serious. Jaja know my people. You don't know. As I said, this wasn't planned, you know. Never did I expect to come through up here, so. Wanna see what take place. Yeah. Supposed to reach back out a cold gate now. And maybe that's a name cold gate too, but they even know.
That's something most people at night time.
If it cold?
Most
Yeah man, it's cold man. Time we just stay up there. I tell you. Up a Miss Jen place. So 2 truck in front of we now. Watch how I go on sir. Van man, yeah, my back up. Cause me I say van man. Don't that traffic where they behind a wee brother. Easy for you reverse. Let him know. Great Nut Hill Primary. Backside. Yeah, my people, so we actually are going down the hill now. I think the road there ain't so now. Close by. Go see this. Yep, lock off too. Alright people, so we're there. A cold gate. So what I gotta do, I gotta just carry no go to Manigan done in the people. You understand? Yeah. Might as well. So it look like I don't know what go on in a Fern Gully, but it block off. Because there is another set of sign right at this, so I just come out. So yeah, something not going around there. We don't know it. We don't know though. Out there, little man, walk by the side. Man, it's a good little journey still, you know. But let them tag along. See me. This never long while ago. But look at Jared, the stopping them still, but it's alright. And if I want to drive through this with traffic like that again, because trust me. And then here today I say we should have drive the way I wonder how long now that block this a block off. Because maybe the same thing would have to go, but it's steeper the way where we are come from. Because I just a little grade they won't come no more like we don't have to go. And then everything else would have been downhill. But yeah, this is it. Yeah, we're up on the hill. So going into Kingston mostly are downhill. You have some parts where you still have to climb, but most sides are downhill. Going back into Kingston.
Get it up.
Everybody gone. That's how you felt? That's how you felt? Eh? The people in the countryside with yeah? Parish of St. Anne. Them say the garden parish. Meaning it lush and green. So actually I go in a I go back to Kingston side, you know, but based on the facts and night I come down and them thing there. So we're gonna close it off for money, as me telling you. The plan actually was just for showing the true Fern Gully alone. But as we said, true that no work out. Yeah, we are just take it straight to money, alright? Yeah man. Oh, and by the way, me and Kimmy there. Just in case you don't wonder who. Yeah, me and Kimmy. The road a patch, man. What? Them vote around here, so. Them must have vote. Remember the road that used to bad, you know? Be a patrol and something. Used to nice, you know, but the patrol and say, man, a shot a come. He couldn't do this. The buck up in the amount of patrol, he put a buck up in there, yeah? Bushy. You have a job gone. Yeah. And mean business. I'm going to your family. All of them. And the hot color.
So, today he was brown and something. Cream and something. Brown and cream together.
Yeah, most of them are that them painted.
Brown and cream after the apartheid. Or maybe a free paint.
That too.
Yeah, so they don't never look bad to them on the vote.
They said come part of the voting package. Paint up, spruce up your house front. Why, Jamaica? It's a Walker's Wood. You say Walker's Wood seasoning come from people. The jerk seasoning and them some of them. I want to post up business. Yeah. I hear people, so we just a try to see if we can reach there before the place get dark up, you know? Yeah. It's actually 5 p.m. now. You know, the sun set around 5:30ish them time there, so yeah. And then we know already at the time of the year, you know, where as the night come down very, very quick. As the sun sets, so poof, dark, boom. They're too far, you know. That man knows the car come. That man knows the car come. Watch a taxi man here. Oh, with the backside is. Watch out. Yes, brother. Watch a truck man here now. Get them. people. So basically reach a money right now, you know. And this is how we're gonna close off the video, you understand? Yeah man, you don't know. So we just there say yo, bless up and give thanks for journey with we, you understand? Yeah. Appreciate uno company, you get me? Yeah. So we just say yo, bless up on yourself, you know, my people. Bless up on yourself, you know, my people. And don't know the thing going on. 876 Vibrate. Remember to like, share, subscribe, comment. Little more. God.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low. Feel my heartbeat, feel the music, singing oh na 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 na. I can take you anywhere.